everyone, and welcome back to mobimind, your go-to destination for honest smartphone unboxings, first looks, and tech reviews. In today's video, we are taking a detailed unboxing and first look at the all-new Huawei Mate 75G. This device has been creating a lot of interest, and today we'll see what it offers in terms of design, build quality, and overall first impressions. If you're thinking about buying a new Huawei smartphone, make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the box and packaging. The Huawei Mate 75G comes in a clean, minimal, and premium-looking box. Huawei keeps the packaging simple, which immediately gives a flagship-style feel. As soon as we open the box, the phone is placed neatly on top, protected well and presented in a very professional way. Now, let's take the phone out and talk about the first-in-hand feel. Right away, the Huawei Mate 75G feels solid and well built. The weight distribution is balanced, and the phone feels comfortable in the hand. It doesn't feel cheap or bulky at all. Instead, it gives a refined and premium impression, which is exactly what users expect from a high-end smartphone. Next, let's check what's inside the box. Along with the Huawei Mate 75G, we get a fast charging adapter, a USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some basic documentation. Huawei includes all the essential accessories needed to start using the phone right away, which is always appreciated. Moving on to the design and build quality. The back panel of the Huawei Mate 75G has a smooth and elegant finish that looks very clean under different lighting conditions. It resists fingerprints well and feels premium to the touch. The camera module is modern and well integrated into the design, giving the phone a unique but classy appearance. On the front side, we get a large display with slim bezels, which makes the phone look modern and immersive. The screen appears bright, sharp, and vibrant, making it ideal for watching videos, scrolling through social media, and daily use. The overall front design gives the phone a true flagship look. Now let's talk about the camera design and expectations. Huawei has always been known for its strong camera technology, and the Mate 75G continues the tradition in terms of design. While this is just a first look, the camera setup looks promising. We'll be testing photo and video performance in detail in a full review, but visually, the camera module definitely looks capable. In terms of performance, the Huawei Mate 75G feels smooth and responsive during initial use. App opening, menu navigation, and basic multitasking feel fast and fluid. For everyday users, this phone appears well optimized for daily tasks like calling, messaging, browsing, and media consumption. Let's also talk about battery and charging. Battery life is a very important factor for most users, and the Huawei Mate 75G is designed to comfortably last a full day with normal usage. With fast charging support, you can quickly recharge the phone and continue using it without long waiting times, which is very useful for busy users. Now coming to the overall first impression. The Huawei Mate 75G feels like a well-balanced smartphone that focuses on premium design, smooth performance, and a clean user experience. From the build quality to the display and overall feel, the phone makes a strong first impression and looks like a solid option in its category. Of course, this video is only an unboxing and first look. A full detailed review with camera samples, battery testing, and real-world performance analysis will give a much clearer picture. That full review will be coming very soon here on mobimind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to mobimind, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching. This is mobimind, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.